In this Friday Fiver, I'm going to walk through this frame problem, mainly the process of going through a meaningful approach. So if we're trying to determine the reactions at A and the reactions at C, we can start with its free body diagram. Here we have the free body diagram where the fixed reaction at the wall has been replaced with the horizontal and vertical forces, as well as the resistance to rotation moment, and the rocker at C has been replaced with the vertical force. Here we can only solve for AX. There's no other, we can't solve for AY versus CY. We can't, some moments about A because there's a reaction moment here. So we have 4 unknowns and 3 equations. So we need to draw another free body diagram. Some people might want to start at A because it's on the left and alphabetically it comes first, but C is a better place to start, and starting with member BC because there's only one unknown out here. When we're dealing with the bar AB, if we separate this out, we're going to add 2 more unknowns and we're not going to be able to solve it. So when you have a choice, look for the component which has fewer unknowns. In Paint, I like the freeform selection option, and this allows me to draw around that piece, copy and paste, and now I can see the piece that I'm going to draw my free body diagram on. Notice that the CY comes with it, and I just have to replace what's happening at the pin between A and B. All right, we've replaced the distributed loaded with a single point load. We still have the rocker reaction at C, but now we have the pin reaction BX and BY. This has 3 unknowns. If we sum moments about B, CY is twice as far away as the 8, and so therefore CY is 4 kilonewtons. With some forces in Y, we can get BY with a value of 4 kilonewtons, and BX will be 0 when we sum forces in X. Based on really what we needed to find the external reactions was just CY, so only the moment about B was required. But now that we have that value, we can go back to the overall free body diagram and some moments about A to get the reaction moment in A. We can sum forces in Y to get AY, and we always could have had AX just from the 6 kilonewton sideway force. So it does make a difference which direction you go. I do like Paint for being able to cleanly separate my free body diagrams. I hope that helps.